Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to be looking at 20 most profitable dropshipping niche for Shopify and WooCommerce in 2022. Guys, so in this video we are going to be looking at this top dropshipping niche that you can promote today and make money for yourself. The good part of it is that we were able to find this top dropshipping niche using amazing spy tools like PPRs. We use Big Spy, we use Set a Trend, and we use also an amazing ecommerce spy tool. So we're able to use all these amazing spy tools to get all this top dropshipping niche for you. So there will be a link below this video where you can see this website that you are seeing on your screen now. The website is a blog that has been written on this particular topic, 20 most profitable dropshipping niche for Shopify and WooCommerce. And the good news is that you can start it today and start generating income for yourself. So guys, let's look at the first one. The first one is what? Solar energy products. So solar energy is the first dropshipping niche that you can start today. And as you can see in the Google Trends, it has a high sales volume as at 2022. It has been on high increase from 2020 till now. So if you want to start up dropshipping, you can go to solar energy product and start solar energy niche and start promoting those products, and you make money for yourself. So guys, the second in our list is eco-friendly products. Eco-friendly products are those products that are conversant with the environment, as the product that you can sell that are friendly with the environment. So you can check products that are related to them and also sell them. The third one is food products. Food products are also on high demand this time around. You can check them and you can also go through the website to get more about them. Then the fourth product in our list is home appliances. So home appliances is another one in our list. So you can also check them and ensure that you check the website below and check the links below this video so that you can get more information concerning this product. So the fifth in our list is computer and office products. Computer and office product is also another top product that you can promote. Then the sixth in our list is home improvement. Home improvement is the sixth niche in our list. Then the seventh is garden niche. Garden niche is also a top product that you can promote. And once you are looking at the screen, you'll be seeing the blog that I'm reading from, because we have written a well-detailed information concerning this product so that you don't need to stress yourself making any other research. We have done the research for you using these amazing spy tools like PPRs, Set a Trend, ecommerce, and most of them. So we have done the research for you and you can just get the information and start going with it. So the fifth in our list is sports. The eighth niche is sport and entertainment. So we already know how high this industry is. So the ninth in our list is education and office. Then the 10th is toy and hobbies. Then the 11th is security and protection niche. So the 12th in our niche is automobile and motorcycle niche. Then the 13th in our list is lights and lightning niche. So the 14th in our niche is consumer and electronics. So guys, just check the video and check the link below the video. I will drop a link that will take you to this website where you can get all this listed out for you. Then the 15th in our list is beauty and health. So this niche is also a popular niche that you can go and start promoting products from this particular niche. And guys, I've written also a blog concerning the top dropshipping product to promote in 2022, in August 2022 and beyond. So you can also check the link below the video. I will drop the link also so that you can know about the products also. So the next in our list is the 16th one is shoes. Shoes niche is another top niche that you can promote today and start making money for yourself. And then 16, we talked about 16. Okay, 17th in our niche is cell phone and telecommunication. So you can also go into cell phone and telecommunication, like selling the cover of iPhone and other telecommunication products. That is the 17th in our niche. Then the 18th is tools. Tools, like most tools that people are using, you can also check them. And the next one is the 19th is mother and kids. This is a top winning product that you can promote in terms of niche. You can go into the mother and kids niche and start promoting products concerning them. Then the last but not the least in our list is pet niche. So this is not written, or we have not written this according to how profitable they are. We have not written it that way. It has been written just in screenshot that it has not been, we have not made that specification of this is the best to promote, but any of them that you select, and using the spy tools that we have dropped below, you can also spy and know the ones that can get more value for you and more money for yourself. So guys, just check out the video, check out the link below the video, and ensure that you go to this website now and get access to these products. I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. And if you're welcome, if you have subscribed to this channel, I really love you and I appreciate for subscribing. And those that have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and join us as we drop awesome videos like this every single time with analysis that you can get for yourself and make money for yourself. See you in the next video. Bye.